How to delete all your tweets at once at X. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can delete all of our tweets at once on X app. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So let's start. The first thing is you just need to open the X application on your device. After that, you just need to log in into your account. After logging in into your account, you'll be able to see this interface on your screen. So in order to delete all of your own tweets, so what you're going to do is simply head over to your profile at the top left. After that, you're just going to go to the profile section. Just tap on your profile, and here you should be able to find all of your tweets. So what you're going to do is simply tap on the three dot at the side of your tweet right here. After that, you'll be able to see delete post option. Just tap on delete post and confirm you delete, and that particular post should be deleted. So unfortunately, there is no such way on how you can delete it all at once. But what you can do instead is just go to every of the post and tap on the three dot, tap on delete post and just confirm it. And just like that, all of your posts in your Twitter or your X app should be deleted very easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.